Okay, good morning, everybody, and another round of coffee and questions. And so I had an email from somebody that said, hey, watched one of your videos on repurposing and making your own kind of clamps and stuff like that for welding or for woodwork. And I thought it was pretty interesting, but I didn't really get that good of an idea on how you went about making them. Well, I thought I showed it pretty clearly in the picture, but he was wondering, well, where do you get the clamps to begin with? Because some of these vice grips, C-clamps, some of these things can be costly. So what I threw up here is off of Harbor Freight's site. They're $5 a piece. This is without coupons or anything else. So, are they cheap? Yeah, but here's the kick. You can buy these things, you can make them into and repurpose them for your own specialties in what you're doing in your garage. And I'm going to show you some pictures here in a minute and give you some ideas. Let me show you a couple of other of these Harbor Freight ads so you get the idea of price. So the first one you saw was just generic vice grips. Okay, now these are swivel padlocking pliers. These are great for welding. I also use them for woodworking because they got that nice flat surface, and it moves around on you. It swivels like it says. So these are good too, out in the garage for a lot of different projects. They're $4.49 a piece or thereabouts, but you can repurpose these too. Are they cheap? Yes, they are. Are they the best quality? No, they're not. But this is one of the items when we talk about Harbor Freight and somebody says, well, what do you think? I go, well, I shop there. Some things are good. Some things are junk, and I've made videos on things that I've run across that are junk, but these things, are they good or are they junk? Well, they're not the best quality in the world. I mean, they're really not. But what I like about these is I can repurpose them, and I'm going to show you what I mean, but I want to show you one more picture before. Okay, now here's just one of their C-clamps I just grabbed off of the site. It's 3-inch. It's also $3. When I show you these slides and we go through them, there's going to be ones that you go, oh, I could use that, or ones that, well, that's really neat, but I have no use for it, and that's fine. What I'm doing is I'm giving you ideas of what you can go out in your shop and you can make. Now, what I would encourage you to do, and what I do is when I have a little bit of time, but I'm not under the gun to do anything, I go out and I make up some of these specialty clamps. And I'm going to show you some of them here. I also, if you search back, I did a video where I showed you how you can make a whole assortment of different clamping devices from just, picking up these C-clamps and these vice grips. Now, the best place to go get these where it's inexpensive is go out to Harbor Freight. And if you buy 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pair, whatever it is, and you use your coupons, you're getting them pretty cheap. And then, like I said, we just repurpose them. So let me show you some slides and I'll talk to you about what I mean. One sec. Okay, let's take a look at the one on the upper left. Now this one, he used some cold rolled steel. I don't know if it's 3/8 inch. And I mean, you can get a lot of this in the scrap pile out of either the scrap yard or your steel supplier. And he also took some flat bar steel, looks like maybe 1/2 inch or so. And he created these curves and he welded these on there. And then he went ahead and welded them on to this set of Harbor Freight, swivel pliers. What is cool about this is it makes a great clamp for welding pipe. So if you put the pipe in there and you clamp this on, and then you make 1 or 2 pairs of these. I have one pair. That's all I really need. But they do work, and they work great. So this is one way to repurpose one of those swivel pliers or swivel clamps. Take a look at the one over on the left. Now he used a pair of vice grips. I couldn't blow the picture up anymore. It gets way too blurry. He took a couple pieces of angle iron and he cut the face of these vice grips off, and he welded on a couple of pieces of steel that have, this angle iron on there. Okay, now this also creates a great clamping device for pipe. So it's your choice. If you think you have a use for these are a quick, easy repurpose of cheap clamps. Let's keep changing the picture. Okay, let's look at the one straight up above me on the left. Now he took 2 pieces of angle iron and he welded these just simply onto the front of the jaws of those vice grips. Say, well, what good is that? Well, if you're bending sheet metal of any kind and you want a little sheet metal hand bender, this is a fast, easy way to do it. And like I said, they're cheap enough when you get them out at Harbor Freight. So you can make these up ahead of time, add them into your welding cart. You'll have them when you need them. Look at the one over on the left. Now, this is a better picture of the one that I was trying to explain for holding pipe. And these were purchased out at Harbor Freight also. But this is a much better picture. You can take a look here and see how the guy made these. I didn't make this particular pair, but you can see how they're made. And these too will hold a pipe. What's nice about these is you can hold them, like I said, for welding, or you can just hold them for clamping because you're doing something else out in your garage. But these are handy to have. Okay, let me change the picture. All right, let's take a close look at these on the upper left. Now, this is a C-clamp. It's one of those cheapies you buy out there, and so the same thing. He put a couple pieces of angle iron on here, and you can do the same thing. My best use for these is on pipe because it holds it so nice and tight. Now take a look at the one on the upper left. Now the upper left is another pair of vice grips where he added a couple of pieces of plate steel, and he cut them and made them look a little bit fancy. You don't have to do that. You could cut them square, and you're still going to end up with a pair of sheet metal benders. So sheet metal benders, pipe holders. Now you can go back on one of my videos and take a look at all different ways that we modify C-clamps. I don't do every single one of these. I mean, I look and see, is that something that I can use in the fabricating work and stuff that I do in my garage? And if the answer is yes, I go ahead and, like I said, I make them up ahead of time. I throw them in a box. Then when I run into these projects, I'm not stopping to have to fiddle around and make it. I just reach down, I grab it, and you keep going, and you'll be glad you had these, and they are very inexpensive to make. All right, let's take a look at the last pictures, and we'll go to questions. Okay, now I exploded this one way up. This is the one that I use, that I've made, and that I repeatedly use because it gives me easy access to welding if I'm welding a round piece of pipe. And I can get those two pieces of pipe up snug to each other and keep it in perfect alignment by using these. So these are just a couple of inexpensive C-clamps. It's not shown here, but on the back side, they're actually welded onto that piece of angle iron. And then you have these two pieces of angle iron on top. It's on top of the V part of the underneath side, you know, that other piece of angle iron that you're looking at. Then the clamps come down and they hold it nice and snug. Now this is a good one. This one I've made, and I recommend people, you know, look, if you want something, you know, homemade, do it yourself. Without going out and spending a lot of money on these fancy tools and stuff, you can make them yourself. They work just as good. They're not going to be as pretty, but they work just as good. So you should consider making some of these. Let me change the picture. We'll go to questions. One sec. Okay, questions. One of the questions is, how do you know which ones to buy? Well, that's up to you. Take a look in the picture here. It goes from 1 to 12. This gives you a rough idea of the wide variation in different kinds of vice grips that you can buy, or, you know, swivel pliers or swivel vice grips, you know, any way you want to word it. But this gives you an idea. You can get the kind that are needle nose. You can buy any variation that you want. They also come in all these different sizes. You'll need to figure out what's going to work best for you. Pick those up, use them as they are, or like now you have ideas on how you can repurpose them out of using scrap steel, just a little bit of time welding. They'll come in handy in future projects. All right, other questions? Which ones do I buy? Well, I've kind of got an assortment of them. But, you know, look, I mean, generically speaking, when I go out there, what ones do I buy to do the repurposing or, you know, creating my own tools? Probably number 6, like you see here in the photo, maybe number 4. But I definitely go for, like, you know, 12, 11, those and the swivels. I mean, they come in real handy because of that swiveling tips. So anything you weld to them also swivels. But generic vice grips, you know, C-clamps, the same thing. You know, I gather them up. I don't think I could have enough C-clamps. Now, I use the cheap C-clamps to do the repurposing and playing around that we're talking about. I have some older C-clamps that are made out of really good steel. You know, I clean them up on a wire wheel and I constantly reuse those. So my welding cart has got a wide variety of C-clamps on there, but it also has a lot of these repurposing tools that I'm telling you about that you can go out and make yourself. You can save a lot of money. It just takes a little bit of time. It doesn't take very long. Use your scrap material and you'll have a really handy tool, and you didn't have to spend a lot of money for it. Then you can use that savings to go buy something that you really wanted tool-wise. Okay, not too many questions out here, folks. I'm going to wrap this up. So next time you're out at Harbor Freight, you're thinking about it, pick up some of these inexpensive C-clamps, vice grips, swivel pliers, bring them home, repurpose them, make them into tools that you can use. You can do it cheap and save money, like I said. I'm the Home Handyman. I hope the video helped you. Click subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and keep following me. I appreciate your support, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.